we went to Bed Bath and Beyond just to check out.
Bed Beyond Bath.
It was, we thought there will be better offers, but at least the California store doesn't have any offers. It's just 10% and 30% off. No great deals. We didn't buy anything except for something. We got this. It's a suction basket. So we wanted something to hang above the bathtub so that we can keep our shampoo bottles and everything. So this was for $10 and we got it for $9.80. I don't think there's any offer better on Amazon. Maybe I got a better deal on Amazon. So this is how my Takachi ghee looks like. So I have used dahi, gopi dahi, and like I took 1 cup of gopi dahi and added half cup of water to it, and I just use a pretty mixer to give it a nice spin for like 2-3 minutes. Then I added some besan, like 1 teaspoon of besan, not a lot of besan. Hi guys, so the other day I found this bhaji in one of the Indian stores. I think it was Apna Bazaar from Sunnyvale. So I don't know what exactly this is, if it's tamari or dhawi bhaji that we call in Konkani, but it is amaranth for sure. So this is the one. It is a bit of red tinge in between and it's green. So I don't know if I should call it tamari bhaji or dhawi bhaji. So dhawi bhaji is not really dhawi, it is green, but it's the leaves are similar to tamari bhaji, but it's entirely green, and that's called dhawi bhaji in Goa. But this is like a mix of that. So let's see, I'll prepare it now. I'm going to share the recipe for this one too. So here I have the bhaji, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to remove the leaves. It has thick stems, so just discard the stems at the bottom. But the good part about these stems is that you can use it for in soups and all. Okay, so you just have to like remove this thin layer outside and you can add this into any soup. Okay, it's very healthy. I won't discard it, I'll keep it, and maybe I'll add it to dal or soup if I'm preparing any. You should let the garlic come a bit brown. Okay, so try to fry the garlic at least for 1 to 2 minutes. The garlic is brown, nice and brown. Let's add onion. I'm adding green chilies now, and then I'm going to add the green bhaji. Mix it well. I'm gonna add 1 spoon of water to this. Cover and let it cook. Now that the bhaji is cooked, it looks like it's tamari bhaji. I don't know. See, you see that color? Yeah, so I'm confused now. But yeah, whatever it is, it's amaranth. So I've used the same recipe. And then I'm gonna add some salt. And once the bhaji is cooked, I'm gonna garnish it with some freshly grated coconut. So our bhaji is ready. So you can even top it off with little bit of coconut oil. Just add coconut oil at the end and then mix it. switch off the gas, and it's ready to be served. So this is what my lunch looks like. Takachi curry, rice, there's some papad and amaranth. So the other day I found this ripe jackfruit in Apna Bazaar. This really reminds me of Goa, and summers in Goa where the entire market or homes smells like jackfruit, fansats or vas. So this was basically like kapo furnace. If you all know what I mean, in Goa we get two types of furnace, that is kapo and rasar. Kapo is a bit crunchy kind of a furnace, and rasar is more of soft. So this was good, I liked it. So the next day, I decided to prepare something interesting for tea time, and I came across this recipe on the internet. And this is a street food from Delhi, and I'm someone who's crazy about Delhi street food. And if given a chance, I'd love to go there and try out every thing on their menu. So this is called as Ram Laddu, which is dal pakoras, and it is served with grated mooli, that is radish or muro, and with some mint chutney. So I prepared this, like I soaked the dal and everything the previous day, and it turned out really good. It was super tasty. The pakoras had also become very fluffy and cooked well from inside. And yeah, I just served it the way they showed it in the video, like with mooli, mint chutney and everything. So guys, we enjoyed our tea time with this ram laddus with some radish, that is mooli, and mint chutney. It was delicious. We also had it with some coconut and garlic chutney that we had got from India. You all should definitely give this recipe a try, and it makes up for a perfect evening snacks, and it's healthy also if you're making it at home. It's 6:46 and it's raining. The weather has become gloomy again in Sunnyvale. It's raining. So we just had pani puri, and this stall is outside Apna Bazaar, and they have 5 flavors of pani puri. I couldn't take the video because it was raining, and then we had a cup of tea in our hand.
I had a cup of tea in my hand on my sweatshirt.
And we both took one plate each, so no hands were free, so we couldn't shoot, but it was good. So one plate of pani puri is for 5.49. So we took 2 plates, so it was 11 something, $11. Yeah. It was good.
Yeah.
So now we are going to go home and have dinner. I've prepared what have I prepared?
Anda curry.
And
Rice.
huh?
And bhakri.
I prepared rice bhakri today. So today is Saturday, and we decided to prepare proper Goan lunch today, that is fish fry and fish curry. So we came to Ranch 99 to buy fish. What is this? Whole whelk. Can I take it in my hand? Hey, look at this. It's something called as whole whelk. Looks like a snail. Nice. There are oysters with shells. I don't know what this is. Live black. Look at this. This looks so weird. It's called crawfish.
Say bye, boy.
ते mga pili scorpions कशे दिसले. It's it looks like a scorpion, but it's live crawfish. Oh, look at this. And there's shinane over here. One bag of mussels is for 4.99. That's for L. There's like, ulto palla boy fish. Also kide to. Visallo kide swim karpa.
Like the kutre asतात पहिले. Fish acting cute म्हणून काय.
See, so we are going to buy something which is live, okay? Because otherwise it has that peculiar fish smell which I don't like. And there are fish heads over here. There are crabs. These are live fishes. There's live fish here. There's live catfish. And then they have all frozen fish over here. This is catfish, frozen catfish. There's Norway wild caught saba. There's pompano. This pompano tastes good. Then there's mussel. Shinaneo. Singa and Sapporo.
No, ती.
The Singa beer here.
ती दुसरी.
So which fish are we buying, Ankit? Live striped bass fish, right?
Yeah.
So we are buying this live striped bass fish, which is 14.99 for MB. So he caught that fish in that net just in front of us. I forgot to take the clip. But yeah, so now we will cut it. There are different types of cuts that's mentioned over there. We just have to tell them the number and they do it for us.
The cling?
Yes.
Number one?
4.
Four.
4.
Real, right?
We are going to do that number 4 cut. So we came back home and I'm gonna prepare fish curry. So over here, I don't know what this fish is called in English, but I think it's safe to prepare, pomfret or kingfish type of curry for this fish, and it looks very fresh. Only thing that they cut it very thick slices, so I like it thin, like this thin slices. When you fry it becomes very crispy and nice. But anyway, so I applied salt and turmeric and kept it aside. Then I prepared the curry gravy. I took here some coconut, like it was 1 cup of coconut, freshly grated coconut, 3 red chilies, 4 black peppercorns, and little bit of tamarind and some haldi. And I ground it to a thin paste. Then in a kadai, I took some oil, added some onion, and sauteed it till like it turned golden brown. Then added the gravy that I had prepared. I washed a mixer and I adjusted the consistency as per my need. And then once it started boiling, I added the fish. So this fish takes at least 2 to 3 minutes to cook. So let it let the gravy boil and let the curry boil and simmer for some time, and it was ready. Then I fried some fish. I added fish fry masala that I had got from India. and squeezed some juice of tamarind and just applied some rava and fried it. Here I'm preparing some salad because I couldn't prepare bhaji. I'm someone who likes bhaji, in my meal. Like I always prefer to have bhaji in every meal. So prepared salad there and now frying the fish. I took the rava and coated the fish nicely with rava and then added to the pan and added oil and fried it nice and crisp. So this is what our lunch looks like: fish fry, there's a salad and fish curry. So it turned out really yummy. For dinner, we I fried the fish again, and we took some salad, rice, and I prepared sol curry because I wanted to have sol curry because there was fish. We normally don't get fish like regularly.